Welcome back to Cakeology. You know who this is, B.O.B. Nothing but the best of the best out here, baby. It is 2022. I'm coming out strong. We going to 10,000 subscribers. We got all kinds of stuff going on in crypto, this, that. I'm going to let you know more about that later. I'm gonna blow up my crypto channel this year for sure, okay? So if you guys are interested in money, business, and credit, you're in the right place. So I want to start 2022 off with the essentials of building business credit, okay? What are the essentials that we need to build business credit in 2022? It's the new year. Let's get it started. Let's go, baby. All right. As you guys very well know, listen, business credit is so powerful for all entrepreneurs. Increase that cash flow, increase your options, increase your flexibility with lines of credit, business credit cards, and Net 30 vendor accounts. Now, if you guys want two of the hottest Net 30 vendor accounts in the game, they're in the link in the description below. They report like clockwork, no BS, no cap, no nothing, okay? It's legit, baby, okay? Make sure you guys jump on that for a new business that you just started, or maybe one that has a thin credit file right now. You know, you wanna add credit later? Well, you gotta have some kind of a foundation. You gotta have the essentials in place. And one of the essentials is having the basic Net 30 vendor accounts reporting to your business credit reports, okay? Listen, nobody wants to be first to the party, okay? You ever went to that party and you just, the first one there and you're like, is anybody coming? And then you go to a party like around midnight and everyone's already jumping around and having fun. It's a much better look, right? So we want to go to the party where, you know, there's people already there having fun. So new to the party, check out the link in the descriptions below for the Net 30 vendor accounts. Now, what else is essential when we're building business credit in 2022, okay? Well, number one, we know, get those accounts reporting. It's a little bit of pay to play in the beginning, okay? You gotta pay to play sometimes. That's just the way it is, okay? Number two, have a good online presence, okay? Now, what do I mean by that? Have a professional website, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't have to be something fabulous or e-commerce or do this or do that. It could just be a one-page website where you explain the basics of what your company does and you have your contact information there on the website, easily to see, with your own domain. It just adds another level of professionalism to the game, okay? In the beginning, when Net 30 vendors and the initial tier 1 vendors are looking to approve you, they're gonna go by your online presence. They're gonna look at to see if you have a website, okay? They're gonna look at to see, well, does this individual, does this entrepreneur, does this business have a professional email address? Another thing that adds credibility, okay, is your email address attached to your domain? By that, I mean not a Gmail, not a Hotmail, not a this mail or that mail, okay? I'm talking about attached to your domain specifically for your business, okay? Adds credibility, okay? What else adds credibility? Well, when you have listed yourself in 411 with a professional voicemail attached to your phone number, okay? So when a customer or a bank or whoever calls your business, they get a professional greeting from the number that is dialed, okay? So not just you picking up the phone, hello, all the kids and everybody, all the background and the TVs, all the Tupac is playing. No, just a professional greeting, okay? Like, hello, you've reached such and such business. We're not available to answer the phone right now, but please leave a detailed message and we'll get back to you promptly. Okay, something like that. Now, you know what I mean. Okay, so have these essentials in place. Okay, what else is essential? Well, registering your business is essential. Make sure you've got a business register. Okay. Now I'm going to have tons of videos coming out all year round about different ways that we can use business credit. In addition to, I know there's a lot of questions about the Section 179 and bonus depreciation. I've got videos coming out about that. And we're going to learn how to buy a business. Okay. We're going to learn how to flip a business. Everybody out here flipping houses and flipping this and flipping that. We're going to flip businesses together, okay? So we're going to get into it and we're going to see how we're going to do that together. So make sure you guys subscribe and like the video, okay? Getting back to essentials, okay? What do we got so far? We've got essential to have a net 30 vendor accounts, okay? Essential to have an online presence. Essential to have your business registered. Essential to have an EIN. I'm not going to say number, okay? Employer identification number from the IRS. It's free, ladies and gentlemen, okay? It is how businesses are classified, how businesses are identified as far as taxation. It's a 9-digit number, just like your Social Security number, okay? I would say it is like a Social Security number for your business. A business is like a person. I got kicked out of a Facebook group saying that. I came in hyped like, hey, your EIN is just like your Social Security number and your business is just like a little baby you. They were like, oh, this guy's kind of dangerous. Out. So, they, but whatever. They can't handle the truth. You can. So have an EIN, okay? The EIN is how we're going to separate your personal from your business, okay? So that Social Security number, yeah, we may need to use that to identify the fact that, hey, this is our business. We may need to use that to maybe personally co-sign for a line of credit or a business credit card. But the bottom line is that we don't want that particular trade or that particular account to show up on our personal credit reports. Okay. We don't want it to affect our personal debt to income ratios. That is the beauty of business credit, is that we can leave our personal credit kind of, unblemished. Okay. Maybe we have a few inquiries, okay, to get our business stuff going, but we don't have high utilization reporting. For example, if we got a business credit card at 0% interest, okay, and we needed to use it, it was 20 grand limit on there. We used 19 of it. Well, guess what? That's not going to report to our personal credit report because it's a business credit card. Okay. And we still have 12 months that we could pay it off, or 18 months we could use to pay it off at 0% interest. That's called using their money to make money. That's what we're about here on this channel, is to use what we can have at our disposal, use the tricks, use the tools, use the hacks available out here to better our business cash flow, to better our business functionality, and to better our financial situation when it comes to our business and our personal. Okay. So very, very essential in 2022 to have these things in order. Okay. And by doing that, you'll be off to a great start building that business credit and really seeing the power of business credit. And especially if you have good personal credit. Wow. Now, don't forget, check out the links in the description below to InkFile, where you can register your business for free. Also, the 2 of the hottest reporting net 30 vendor accounts in the game in the link in the description below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification immediately, baby. Okay, I'll be out here. Many more videos yet to come. 2022, I'm bringing it in right, baby. Okay, peace and love. B.O.B., baby. I'm out here.